Hey YouTubers, welcome back to another episode of Rosie's Kitchen Cooking. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking in Rosie's Kitchen. So today we're going to show you how to make your own seasoning, otherwise known as Haitian Epis. So to start, you will need to have some garlic, this is chicken cubes, 2 chicken cubes. You're going to need some Habanero Peppers. And what we're going to do is use some green onion, but we're going to use the bottom of the green onion. We have our McCormick black pepper, salt, and then our Pilon. This is not a blending method. I'll create another video where I show you how to blend it. But this is what we're going to be using today. Garlic, 2 cubes, some green onion and habanero peppers along with salt and pepper. To start, we're going to add our garlic, our green onion, salt and pepper, and you just basically eye the amount that you would add in here, and then we're going to go ahead and pound this, grind it together, and then we're going to continue to add the rest of our ingredients. So add everything into your pilon and then grind it up. So go ahead and grind up your ingredients, pound it. Alright, so that concludes our Epis. This is if you're just using a pilon. So this is how your Epis should come out, and this is good for chicken, rice, or anything of your choice. Thanks for watching our channel. Subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell, and leave your comments below to let us know how we can improve our channel. Thanks again for taking the time out to watch us cook in our kitchen.